How to cook healthy meals for the week in under an hour. The key to weight loss or weight maintenance is smart organization. If you have a healthy weight loss meal ready to eat when you're hungry, you're more likely to keep your calorie count in control and reach your health and fitness goals. So it's smart to learn healthy meal prep skills. These instructions will guide you through the entire process of healthy meal preparation, storage, and reheating. Eat these meals for dinner or pack and reheat them for lunch. Need breakfast ideas? Use a nutritious 300-calorie breakfast that you can prep for the week as well. Number 1. Prep grocery list. Before you begin to prepare your week's worth of healthy meals, you need to have all of your ingredients ready. Grab these items from the grocery store. 4 to 6 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Each of your 6 meals should contain 3 to 5 ounces of protein. If you don't like chicken, choose fish, or lean beef. For vegetarians, choose hearty beans or tofu, 1 to 2 pounds green vegetable. This meal prep plan uses green beans, but feel free to choose any green veggie that can be steamed on the stovetop. Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and asparagus work well, too. These veggies are very low in calories and super healthy, so you'll load up on these in each of your prepared meals. 1 pound brightly colored vegetables. Add a pop of color to your meal with a colorful vegetable. Carrots are great because they are cheap, easy to cook, and nutritious, but choose the veggie that you enjoy most. 6 medium potatoes. Yukon Gold potatoes work best, but red potatoes work too. In addition to these foods, you'll need to have 6 resealable containers that stack nicely in your refrigerator. Step 1. Wash and steam veggies. Start the cooking process by washing and steaming your green and colorful vegetables. Trim the ends off of the green beans and throw them in a colander to rinse under the faucet. Then, peel and slice your carrots. Steam the vegetables separately on the stovetop. It should take just 10 minutes or so for the vegetables to cook. You'll know when the veggies are cooked when you can pierce them with a fork. You don't want mushy vegetables in your healthy meals. Step 2. Wash and steam potatoes. While your veggies are steaming, take 5 minutes to scrub the potatoes. You'll steam the potatoes on the stovetop as well. But these will take a little bit longer. Plan 20 to 30 minutes for the potatoes to cook. If you don't like potatoes, you can use a healthy grain instead. Try wild rice, couscous, or flavored quinoa instead of potatoes. Grains are a good source of fiber, and some grains, like quinoa, provide a healthy dose of protein as well. Step 3. Roast and slice chicken breasts. Lay each breast out on a baking sheet and sprinkle with salt and pepper. You can also add flavor and crunch by sprinkling flavored breadcrumbs on top. Some healthy eaters even drizzle balsamic vinegar on their chicken for a savory taste. You can use other parts of the chicken if you prefer. You'll probably notice that boneless, skinless chicken breasts are more expensive than other parts of the bird. But keep in mind that nutrition facts for different parts of the chicken can vary, so your calories may increase as well. Place the baking sheet into an oven that has been preheated to 375 degrees. Roast for 20 to 30 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. Then, cut each breast into thick slices. Step 4. Assembly. Once all of your ingredients are cooked, it's time to assemble your healthy meals for the week. Number 1. Put 1 potato scoop of cooked rice in each resealable container. Number 2. Add a big handful of green vegetables and a few colorful vegetables. Number 3. Add a few slices of chicken breast and seal each container. Stack the containers in your refrigerator or freezer. You can keep a few meals in the refrigerator and a few meals in the freezer for later in the week. If you maintain a diet-friendly refrigerator, you'll have plenty of space next to your healthy protein snacks and drinks. Each meal provides approximately 260 calories, 3 grams of fat, 17.4 grams of carbohydrate and 31 grams of protein. The nutrition in your meal may vary depending on your portion sizes. How do I reheat prepped meals each day? Grab a container from the refrigerator and pop it into the microwave. Cook on 70% power for 1 minute. Then, remove the container from the microwave and place the chicken on a plate. Heat the remaining ingredients on high for 2 to 3 more minutes. Add the remaining ingredients to your plate and you're ready to eat. For the frozen meal, remove it from the freezer and let it thaw in the freezer overnight. Then, follow the same instructions above for reheating. Because the dinner is so low in calories, you can add your favorite sauces or condiments.